good evening, good morning, and good afternoon, depending on the time zone. If you are first time that you are across my video, I say welcome to my page. Follow me on my YouTube page at Mazi-UC and my Facebook page. So today's scenario is always focused, especially a married woman. So if you're a married woman, please try a share, come closer to me. If you're a young girl and you want to marry, please try a share and also come to me. This message is so very, very important. In marriage, every man needed respect and peace of mind. Quote me anywhere, I'll answer you for it. This advice is always meant for you. If you know that you cannot give your husband a peace and respect, please don't near marriage. Marriage is not a small child play. You have what they call patience, perseverance, and endurance. Without that, my brother, my sister, there are no need you are entering marriage. Do you hear it from me? I don't know, have you crossed of it? Every man, 99.99% can agree with me that every man in life like respect and peace. When a man struggle and toil and come back in his home, what he needed is peace. So don't carry your wahala put for that man's head, because many things are happening in our families. 95% is caused by those women. You know that one. So a man cannot marry an anarchy woman and put for his house. So I just have your bata. About the ways of work, I can not know. Okay, Nina, Mpan. Or when working at Ashonya Bife. Work up on a show why I didn't hear Udo, Neziluno, yeah. Or if I work up on a show. Or when working your boy on one wine. Or show one wine, Jenny and Subu. That's why if a man meets you and propose you to marry you, and he use his money and go for your parents to pay your price and do your traditional marriage, and they added it a white wedding so that to make you happy. My brother, as you listen to me, my sister, as you hearing me, give that man respect. Give that man the peace of mind, because every man love that. No matter anything that man does to you, always respect him. Maybe the man don't have at hand a kanusheye nazuroke. Is all I have to tell you. Please share this video. Let this video go viral. It cannot help you, but out there, it can help a lot. Thank you, and God bless you all.